Hello everyone! Today we'll be making delicious brownies from scratch. The ingredients are super duper simple and would most probably be available in your kitchen right now. So gather your ingredients and let's begin. Gather all the mentioned ingredients in a bowl and put it over a double boiler to melt the butter and incorporate all the ingredients well together. Once the batter is off the stove, add salt and vanilla essence, then stir and let it cool down for 3 to 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Once the batter is cooled, add 2 eggs, one at a time, and then stir thoroughly after adding each of the eggs. I had already added the first egg, this is the second one. After stirring the eggs thoroughly, you should see that the batter should turn into a shiny and sticky consistency. It's time to add our last ingredient, that is half a cup of flour. Fold the flour gently into the mixture. I'm pouring the batter in a baking dish that I have lined with parchment paper and greased with butter. You can also use oil for greasing. The oven has been preheated at 180 degrees Celsius. We will check the brownies after 20 to 25 minutes.
20 minutes later.
One way to check if the brownies are done is by inserting a clean toothpick and seeing if it comes out clean. If it does, then the brownies are done. If not, then you need to bake them slightly more. Here, me and my siblings are enjoying the brownies. They don't look the best, but they taste amazing.